Guys, we just started carrying Ud's caramel popcorn with peanuts. I have not seen this before. I'm really excited about it. I was gonna maybe do it in my live cooking class today too for my the taste test because I think my husband will enjoy this as well. And I'm hungry at the moment, so it's a good time to taste test something. So we can handful out. I probably didn't get any of the nuts. Just always my luck. But here's the popcorn. You can smell the caramel. Mmm. Very good caramel flavor. I'm gonna shake the bag up. I might get some nuts. Let's see if I do.